Why does your scanner show the P1337 engine code? What does it mean? P1337 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position, sensor 2, no signal. It indicates that the PCM fails to detect a signal from the crankshaft position sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty crankshaft position sensor, damaged wiring harness, loose connection, faulty ECM, mechanical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Peugeot, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Citroën, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.